Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to fix Shopify live pricing problem. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify store and then go to your Shopify admin page. After that, click on the products button. Now after clicking on the products button, click on the all products option and then click on your existing product in which you want to fix the price. After clicking that product, the option will appear pricing, under which you'll have three different pricing sections. So fill all three sections according to your desired amount for the product, and then click on the save button. So that's how you can fix the live pricing problem. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.